So finally the day came when I visited the Royal Enfield showroom once they gave me the call to grab my Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, and as expected the bike was waiting for me right inside the showroom. I had the pre-inspection, the pre-checking done to make sure everything was in order. I mean, the bike was looking stunning. Even my friend was looking at the bike, and I was super excited to go out on a drive on this. And the best thing about this bike, which I really liked a lot, is the LCD TFT display. Probably no other bike within this range or even in the lesser range has that. So this display really impressed me. The design concept of this bike really impressed me. The styling, the statement, and the bold presence of this bike is really dominating to look at. So definitely this is what pushed me towards the Guerrilla 450. And then somebody just put out a black cloth for the reveal of the 450. Usually they do these reveals, and I kind of was seeing all these reveals on all the social media handles, and just in case I just took a look at the Royal Enfield jacket and a helmet just before proceeding towards the official formalities and signing of the various different documents before actually getting the delivery of the bike. Moving on, I just took a look around the bike just to make sure everything was alright and I could take this bike, take this beast back to my home and have super fun riding it. And here's the reveal. Watch it and enjoy. So finally got my hands and was able to sit on the bike and feel it for the first time. I mean, I had tried out previously some other Guerrilla model, but this was my personal bike, was specifically bought for me. The first time sitting on my bike and turning it on gave such an awesome experience, gave such a crazy good happiness, because this is my first bike which I'm buying from Royal Enfield. And finally here is the customary handing over of the key for the bike. I mean, this is just a representative key, and here we go. Royal Enfield also did provide me a helmet, a complimentary helmet, and finally I bought the bike outside the showroom, ready to go out on a drive on the road to make this bike totally mine. So the Royal Enfield guys didn't let me take the bike down the slope. They wanted to make sure it came out in one piece out towards the road. And finally my bike was out on the road, and here's me getting ready with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses to shoot a POV of the first ride on my Guerrilla 450. Super excited. The bike was looking stunningly well, and I was crazy happy and crazy excited for this first drive in my Guerrilla 450 on the road. Well, the key experience is actually good because the LCD display, when it turns on, gives you such a good and futuristic vibe. I mean, you do feel you belong to 2025 in the Guerrilla 450, and this bike is definitely from the future. So let's move on and take a first look at the first ride of my Guerrilla 450 and show you how this feels. So here's my first ride towards my home on my new Guerrilla 450. So following this video, I'll be bringing up a series of videos showing you all the bike gadgets, bike accessories, my driving experience with the 450, the review of this bike, and of course many other related stuff. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you like and share this video if you're also looking to get the RE GRR 450. See you in the next one.